A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and management of land resources in Dehradun. With the rapid urbanization and infrastructural growth in the city, the need for accurate and reliable surveys has become more important than ever. A government land surveyor is responsible for collecting data, measuring and mapping land areas, and providing valuable information for various government projects and initiatives. They use advanced technologies such as GPS and GIS to ensure precise measurements and create detailed maps. One of the leading companies in this field in Dehradun is Scon Design India Private Limited. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a renowned firm that specializes in land surveying services. With their team of experienced professionals and state-of-the-art equipment, they provide accurate and efficient surveying solutions to clients in Dehradun. They have extensive knowledge of the local regulations and procedures, ensuring that all surveys are conducted in compliance with government guidelines. Whether it is for residential, commercial, or industrial projects, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers comprehensive surveying services tailored to meet the specific needs of their clients. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services to assist in land management and development. They conduct topographic surveys to analyze the physical features of the land, including elevation, slopes, and contours. This information is essential for designing infrastructure projects such as roads, drainage systems, and buildings. They also perform boundary surveys to establish accurate property lines and resolve any disputes related to land ownership. Additionally, they conduct cadastral surveys to create and update land records and maintain an updated database of land parcels in Dehradun. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its professionalism, accuracy, and timely delivery of services. A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in Dehradun, ensuring accurate and precise measurements of land for various purposes. One prominent company that provides exceptional land surveying services in Dehradun is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience in the field, they offer comprehensive land surveying solutions to both government and private clients. As a government land surveyor in Dehradun, the primary responsibility is to conduct surveys to determine the boundaries and dimensions of land parcels. This information is crucial for land registration, property development, infrastructure planning, and other legal and administrative purposes. The surveyor uses advanced equipment and techniques to measure and map the land accurately, including the use of GPS technology and laser measuring instruments. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading company in Dehradun, provides top-notch land surveying services to government organizations. Their team of skilled surveyors has a deep understanding of the laws and regulations related to land surveying in Dehradun. They ensure that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the requirements